What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed a Kwai video into your WordPress website. Kwai, it's almost like a competitor of TikTok, okay? And it's a very famous social media across the world, and you may have videos on it just like we do on Visual Modo. So imagine the following scenario: you are writing a blog post, you are creating some page, okay? And you would like to embed one of your videos from Kwai into this page to serve as illustration or to engage the video, to make the post more engaging, okay, more visual appealing. How to do this? This is what you're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, and choose internet on site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is find on your computer, okay, your Kwai profile. In my case, it's kwai.com/visualmodo, okay, and then select the video that you would like to embed. In my case, it's gonna be this one right here, okay. So after this, you're gonna be able to see a couple of icons into your video, okay. Can you see the icons? So the follow, like, comment, and this one for share. Hold your mouse and click on share. And right here, you're gonna be able to see two options: copy link and embed. We're gonna click into the embed and copy this code right here. So just click on copy code. Now go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over posts, pages, or custom post type that you have, and go to the place where you would like to embed this video. In my case, it's gonna be into this post right here. Let me delete this element. So find the content, find the place where you would like to apply your video. In my case, it's gonna be into this section. I'm gonna click into this plus button right here to add a block, and we're gonna search for a widget called HTML, the custom HTML. Now all I have to do is paste the code that we have copied from Kwai. Click into the update button. And let's preview the change. And here is our video embedded. Of course, you can apply this into columns layout, into blocks, into any section. And of course, in the case that you are using Elementor, for example, let me create a page using Elementor. You're gonna have the same widget, okay, the same block to play with, independently if you're using WP Bakery or Elementor. Click on Elementor, for example, to test. I'm gonna do this just to show you that independently of the page building system that you are using, you can embed this on WordPress blocks, into Elementor, and there is no need of plugins, okay? Search for HTML, just like this. Select, enter the code. And here is the video already embedded. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a platform where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your game. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of your dreams. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!